Scientists are trying to reverse aging. Billions of dollars, years of research, all focused on the one goal, living longer. But what if that's a wrong goal? Because while science is trying to defeat aging, Sadhguru is asking a very different question. Why are you so afraid of it in the first place?
People are investing billions of dollars. They don't have to. If they invest a couple of hours a day, we can make them live a full life.
A Harvard scientist, Dr. David Sinclair, believes aging is not just wear and tear. It is a loss of biological information. They even have a name for this, epigenome. So think of your DNA like hardware and your epigenome like software. Over time, this software gets corrupted and the cells forget what they're supposed to do. But here's the breakthrough. In labs, scientists have been able to reset this information and make old cells behave like young ones again. Which means aging might actually be reversible. But Sadhguru challenges this completely.
Only a fool who is inebriated either with money or hormones thinks he wants to live forever.
Think about that. While science is trying to extend life, Sadhguru is questioning the entire pursuit altogether.
Otherwise, it's very nice that you come, you live a full-fledged life and you go gracefully. It's wonderful. But we want to live a full life. What does a full life mean? Full life does not mean 1,000 years. Full life means everything that is there for a human being to explore, know and experience must happen in this life. It's very important.
He asks, if you remove the reality of death and mortality, do you even live intensely anymore? Or do you just exist longer?
Come to the idea of mortality once in a way, it'll make you depressed. It will make you fearful. If you live with it every moment, it will make you absolutely exuberant and alive.
So let's now look at this more clearly. Science is asking, how do we live longer? Sadhguru is asking, how do we live fully? So let's…
Fully alive, 100% alive is the most important thing, because only if something is 100% alive, can you make it yield something beautiful.
In yogic science, they're not chasing lifespan. They're building something called ojas. It's a certain intensity of life. It's not about how long you live, but how alive you are.
Ojas means a non-physical dimension of energy. That is, you can generate a certain amount of non-physical dimension of energy around you. If you have ojas around you, your passage through the world, the passage through life becomes well lubricated. The less friction you have, the more you would like to do, isn't it? Yes? You would naturally venture to do a lot of things.
Okay, so this doesn't mean that science is wrong. In fact, it might be changing medicine forever. But it does mean we might be asking the wrong question. So maybe the real question isn't, can we reverse aging? But why are we so desperate to avoid it? Because if you truly understood that your time is limited, you might finally start living differently. Let's go on this inward journey together. Let's specta with ekta. Until next time, bye-bye. Specta with ekta.